Everything's coming up baking. I love to bake and cook for my family. Yeah. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It is I, Miss Janita, back again with another pantry reorganizing, inventory checking video. And today we are inside of the hall, closet, pantry, storage area. And as you can see, things do need to be reorganized because everything is just stuck in here. So all I would need to do really is set stuff up. Well, I can see what it is, mark some dates bigger so I can see the dates on the stuff. But we have snacks in here. Got some mini popcorns behind that barbecue sauce. Got the Planters peanuts. And well, it's a couple of snacks. Some cake mix in here. Icing. Frosting, whichever one is in here. And my pumpkin pie is in here that I'm making the muffins with. I do got a couple of cans of peaches in here. And there's a lot of stuff in this closet, storage, pantry area. But for now, I'm just showing you just one little shelf because the whole thing is out of order. But yeah, just conversation. Just talk about what we staring at today. It's canned vegetables, beans, cake mix, maybe a can of cleanser back there. I think I see a can of Lysol, some Lipton's Onion Soup mix, either some tomato sauce or some diced tomato. What is this? Tomato sauce. The cornmeal. I think it's some rice back there too. Quite a few different products that need reorganizing, rearranging. It's good clutter, but the clutter just needs to be set up where I can actually see what everything is. And that's what we're going to be doing in this closet, pantry, storage area. Any area where I can store my goods, I will be calling it a pantry storage area. Is it closet? Is it somewhere in a drawer, in a cabinet? Is a pantry storage area. The whole kitchen is a pantry. Yes, it is. With the cabinets and the drawers and all that, the refrigerator, shoot, even the stove can hold something in the oven. But yeah, this is what we doing in this pantry storage closet area. I just need to, it's some beans, some dried beans in here too, reminding me. And I got some canned tuna in here, and I got some, what's it look like, some cleaning stuff, some pans and stuff in here. All kind of stuff in this area right here, storage area. The shelf underneath one is where I got my linens that I need to refold and get organized, because it's sheets, pillowcases, towels, dish towels, mittens, all kind of stuff needs to be looked at to see if it needs refreshing by washing or aired out or something. It just got to be situated. It has to be managed. Maintenance. Yep, linen maintenance. It's all maintenance, folks. Anytime you have to keep coming back and forth and maintaining something, yes, I'm all over the place. It's high maintenance. Every day in the home, high maintenance. Dust every day. Every day dust settles somewhere. Can't get away from dust and the mopping the floors. It's dirt all the time. If we had taken our shoes off before entering this place, it has carpet throughout. The carpet wouldn't be as yucky as it is, because yeah, carpet can get yucky, especially if you don't high maintenance on a regular basis, and we didn't do that. So the carpet in here is yuck, but that's what's happening. So no, I won't be showing the carpet. You want to see yuck? I don't know why you want to see yuck, but anyway, it gets vacuumed. I'll wash the walls, but shoot, that's why, shoot, I would prefer not to have carpet. I'll have some throw carpets, but wherever else I go, I do not want a house full of carpet, because if you ain't taking your shoes off, regardless if you're taking them off, the wind gonna blow that dirt up in here, and you gotta keep, I guess, vacuum every other day, or it's gonna eat the crap out of your carpet. But we talking about maintenance. How did we get the carpet from food pantry? Because it was in the maintenance category. High maintenance, where you got to keep always cleaning something in a pantry, is maintenance too. You got to declutter, you got to organize, reorganize, you have to rotate, pushing the old in the front and the new in the back. And if you are well organized, or you got it to your system together where you know how to go up in there, and once you take something out or you add something, you make sure you put that new to the back and write on it. If you can't see that little print, then make sure the date is where you can see it, because sometimes the date even wear off. So that once you see that date, you got a marker, permanent marker, put that date on there big. I'm telling myself that, I'm saying all this so I can tell myself to do that. But I don't know what we eating today. Oh yeah, my husband, he frying that fish, and he gonna use that sazon on it, and I'm gonna see if that ain't gonna give me a headache. I ain't eating a lot of fried fish, but I'm gonna taste that fish with that sazon. It is Saturday morning. It is early Saturday morning that I'm making this video for you all today, because I said I was gonna come back on the regular, updating you about the pantry or whatever other goings-ons is going on in this place. Have to do with groceries and managing and maintenance, organization, pantry challenges, because it is a challenging thing. If you don't keep up with it, it can get out of order and it can blow your mind. It could get overwhelming if you're not organized well enough. You'll get frustrated and overwhelmed if you can't find what you're looking for because your pantry is not in order. But that's it for today, folks. Hope you guys having a great day. And if you're doing pantry, I guess I'll be seeing you on my TV, because that's how I see a whole bunch of other people's videos, on my TV. Y'all have a great day. Don't forget, it's Saturday. If you want to see my garden video, go to my garden channel. If you like crafting, go see my crafted cherry pies I made over there. Beautiful, delicious cherry pies crafted with a burlap graham cracker crust on my pies on the crafting channel. Go check it out. And if you want to see what's going on my garden today, go over there to my garden channel. Bye guys. Thanks a lot for all the support. Subscribe, comment, like. Come as often as you are available. Bye. Everything's coming up baking. I love to bake.